Football has given us some of the most legendary moments. The last-minute winners, the nutmegs that send a stadium into chaos, the saves that look superhuman. Now imagine this. What if you could recreate football highlight videos with that same energy in just 3 minutes? No expensive software, no giant editing timeline, and you don't even have to show your face. It sounds unrealistic, but I'm gonna prove it. I'll go from idea to a share-ready, professional football video, start to finish, using one tool. Follow along, and you'll be able to do it right after watching. I love football highlight compilations and fan edits. Creating them used to be pain, hunting clips, syncing music, typing captions line by line, tweaking timing, hours for a 60-second video, and it still look okay. That's the creator trap. Time in equal to make them results out. Then I found Clipwise. It's not a traditional editor. Think of it as a production assistant, writer, and voice actor in one. You feed it your idea, it helps you generate a full script, voiceover, captions, visuals, and a final export, all in one interface. It works across niches, but for sports and football, it really shines. On the Clipwise homepage, the promise is clear. Viral-ready short videos in minutes. Instead of a complicated timeline, you get a clean, form-based workflow. Fill in what your video is about, pick a style, and Clipwise handles the heavy lifting. Formats include faceless highlight videos if you don't want to be on camera, AI hosts, and avatar videos if you want a presenter. Quiz-style videos like Guess the Player or Who Scored This Goal, and Reddit-style commentary formats for debates, transfers, or post-match analysis in a social-friendly layout. Key features: AI script writing so you never face a blank page, lifelike voiceovers with a large library of voices and accents, optional voice cloning, AI hosts, and a scene-by-scene builder so you can customize every moment. There's also a limited-time 60% discount on the annual plan, which I'll show later when we talk ROI and pricing. Let me show you exactly how I made one of my AI avatar football videos from start to finish. Step 1. First, log in or sign up for a Clipwise account. Next, choose your video type. Clipwise has options like faceless videos, avatar videos, and more. For this demo, I'll go with an AI avatar video. You can either write your video topic directly in Clipwise or use ChatGPT to make it more engaging. I recommend the second option. So let's ask ChatGPT. Make me a football video prompt for an AI avatar video that's engaging and has the potential to go viral. Within seconds, you've got a ready-to-use script idea that you can refine to your liking. Copy the prompt. Once you've got your topic, but here's where it gets powerful. You're not locked into that default. You can customize everything. Choose your language from a wide list of global options. Adjust the duration range depending on whether you want a quick short-form clip or a longer, more detailed video. Refine the tone of your narration: serious, friendly, dramatic, or casual. Pick your style and even select the target audience. Maybe you're making videos for kids, for hardcore fans, or for casual viewers. You can also define the animation style and overall visual theme. For now, I'll keep it simple and select realistic visuals, but the range of choices is huge. Once you're happy with these options, just click Generate and let Clipwise process everything for you. Step 5. Review and edit script. After generation, you'll get a draft script paired with visuals. This is where you can polish it up. Maybe you want to make the script shorter and punchier, or maybe you want to add more context, more stats, or extra commentary. Clipwise makes it super easy. Just click into the text and edit. Now here's where personalization comes in. You can pick your narrator preference. Clipwise has a massive voice library with tons of accents, tones, and languages. You can go for a deep cinematic narrator, a casual friendly voice, male, female, different styles, and you can preview them until you find one that fits the vibe of your video. Step 6. Adjust visuals. Scrolling down, you'll see the visuals Clipwise paired with your script. Here's the cool part. You're in full control. You can replace any default image with your own, convert images into short video clips with a single click, upload pictures from your own gallery. See example. The intro gave me a random football stock photo. I wanted something better, so I opened Google, searched for a Ronaldo versus Messi picture, downloaded the one I liked, and uploaded it straight into Clipwise. Instantly, it updated the intro to look exactly how I wanted. And here's a pro tip. Clipwise actually recommends turning static images into video clips. Why? Because people tend to skip images, but they'll stop and watch motion. This little detail makes a big difference in engagement, and it's one of the reasons Clipwise videos perform so well. For this tutorial, I'll leave some images as they are, but when you're making a serious video, definitely use motion visuals wherever you can. Step 7. Music, captions, and overlays. Next up, audio and design. Choose background music from Clipwise's built-in library. There are tracks for every mood: intense, emotional, cinematic, or upbeat. Or, if you want something unique, upload your own music file. Adjust the audio balance so your narration is clear over the music. You can even control the playback speed of the entire video. Then move to the captions. You can fully customize them: font, size, color, position, and animation style. Want bold yellow captions at the bottom? Easy. Prefer clean white text in the center? Done. Below that, you'll find the overlay section. Clipwise gives you the option to add dynamic overlays, things like animated borders or themed graphics that sit on top of your video. They can add flair, but sometimes clean and minimal looks best. For this demo, I'll stick with no overlay. Step 8, final generation. Once everything is set, the script, narrator, avatar, visuals, captions, overlays, and music, it's time to bring it all together. Click Next, then hit Generate Video. Wait a few moments, and boom, your professional-looking football video is ready. From start to finish, it feels like you've had a whole production team working behind the scenes. Step 9, export and share. When your video is done, you can preview it, make final tweaks, and then download it in full HD. From there, upload it to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, wherever your audience hangs out. And the best part? You can repeat this process as many times as you want. Once you learn the flow, you can go from idea to polished video in under 20 minutes. Think about it. A professional editor might take days to create something like this and easily charge you hundreds of dollars. With Clipwise, you get the same result in minutes for a fraction of the cost and without ever touching complicated software. If you're into football, sports content, or just want to make viral videos quickly, Clipwise is a complete game changer. A professional editor can charge $500 to $2,000 for a single polished video, especially if scripting, voiceover, captions, and graphics are included. Doing it yourself costs days of time. With Clipwise, a typical render is about $1 per video, and there's a limited time 60% discount on the annual plan. On the plans page, I like to toggle monthly versus annual on screen so viewers can compare. Annual is where the big savings live. Again, 60% off right now. If you're creating regularly, highlights, quizzes, explainers, the annual plan pays for itself fast. In terms of time, think as little as 2 minutes versus 2 days per video when you factor scripting, recording, and editing in traditional workflows. Use the link below to try what I showed. Grab the 60% off annual while it's available. Start with one simple video, maybe a highlight reel from your favorite player, or a quick Guess the Player challenge. Post it, see the response, and iterate. And tell me in the comments, which style would you try first? Faceless highlights, an AI-hosted explainer,